What's up?
So today I have
Aiden here
with me, and I think this is actually the first time it is just me and him by ourselves on my channel. I know it's been me and him on his channel, but I don't think we've done this on my channel. So this is pretty cool. But before you get started, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below and turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Another product review, and
HOG Wild
was kind enough to send me some really cool toys that we're about to review. That's why he is here, because he loves toys and he wanted to be in it with me, so that's why Aiden's here. So they sent me a few of these, and they are sticky, kind of like sticky squishy toys. And this one is Sticky the Watermelon, which is going to be mine because I got a couple of them. And so he's going to get some, and I'm going to get some.
And they're almost like splat balls.
Yes, they're almost like splat balls because we love splat balls so much. So we always get disturbed when we see one. We like to play with it, and they stick to walls, which is what these do. It says that they splats and sticks to flat surfaces. And it's a sticky outer surface, moldable middle, which is really cool. And you can stick it to walls plus flat surfaces. We like to stick ours, like throw them on a window, because we feel like they stick better than sticking on the wall.
The first one is Sticky the Watermelon. Just don't like how watermelon tastes.
So me and Aiden were just having a discussion, and I said I love watermelons. I said that's why I'm getting this one, and he said, I do too. I said, no you don't. I said, we just ate watermelon the other day and you said you hated it. He goes, I said, remember those like watermelon things? He goes, oh yeah, that's right. I don't like those. He said, they're gross.
What's it feel like? Can't get it out.
Ew.
What? Can I smell it?
It smells like paint. Oh. Feel it. Oh my god! Oh, let me see it real quick. I've actually gotten one of these. It wasn't as cool as these because these have like faces on them and names. My other one's just like a pink one that we got from the dollar store, and it reminds me
like a pig.
Yeah, it reminds me just like this.
Called Sticky the Ninja.
He says ninja, but he means ninja. And the reason he wanted this one is because Aiden right now is absolutely in love with ninjas. Anything ninjas, he's in love with. So once he saw it, he's like, I want that one. So this is gonna be his. And like it's weird, it doesn't leave like a, usually when you squish some of these, it doesn't leave like a, like your hands aren't sticky. It's weird, but I like them. No, good luck getting out the package. It takes a while because it sticks to the package. You just kind of gotta be easy with it so you don't like rip it.
Because it stays out long.
Yeah. Almost got it. There you go, you got it. Bye-bye.
This one feels so different. It feels different. Whoa, this one feels softer. This one feels like much harder.
This one feels like it's got beads in it.
It feels softer. This one
has beads in it.
This one feels like it's got glue in it.
But it's only like on this side. Like I feel like it's like when you squish it over here, there's like not as much beads. When you squish it over here, it's like.
Mine has beads. Hers has glue.
And the really cool thing about these is if you get lint on them or anything like that, you can just rinse them in water and they're ready to be used again, and they're clean. rainbow unicorn one, and this one is obviously going to be mine because he doesn't want unicorns.
No.
Time to open my unicorn.
After this, I'm gonna go back and take a nap. Because I was just taking a nap, and then Dad came in and he told me that I had to get a bath. So I'm gonna go back to my nap after this. Oh, it has some light blue.
This one has a lot more air in it. Like, I don't know why, but like it has, see, it has like a lot more air bubbles, but it's really cool.
It feels softer.
Yeah.
I'm about to open Sticky the emoji. I feel like they're all the same names.
Yeah, they're all the same. Like, it also Sticky the, but it has like a different name.
Because this one's Sticky the ninja. This one's Sticky the watermelon. This one's Sticky the smiley face.
And this one, I feel like it's a lot thicker than the other ones we have. So maybe that means that this one will stick more.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll have to try it out.
I'm gonna punch. Oh, it whipped it.
That worked. Yeah, that one's a lot stickier. Don't even come on.
Come on! I can't even get this thing down.
But the stickier the better, you know? Because like the stickier the better, it just sticks a lot better.
So here's the two.
We have so many papers.
See,
like
you
those
see how I
confetti.
moved
We're
my
throwing
face?
confetti.
I can move my face.
Sorry.
Look, you see how I moved my face? Not my face. The emoji face. Hey! Hey!
Paw. Paw. Now we're going to throw them on the window and do a stick test to see how well they stick. So now me and Anne are going to have a contest to see who sticks the longest. So it's going to be watermelon versus the emoji. And then it's going to be unicorn versus
And the ninja.
the ninja. Okay, ready? So first we'll do, which one do you do first?
This one.
Okay, so that means I'm going to do unicorn, he's going to do the ninja. Let's see who sticks better. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mine sticks better. Look.
Okay, so the ninja won this round. Let's do the next round. So it is watermelon versus emoji. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! I do it! Look, I'm gonna stick these together now.
I think it's like,
I'm gonna try sticking these together. Bryleigh, look.
whoa,
Look, I'm gonna try throwing them. That was a terrible thought. Yay!
oh my god. So we're going to do another contest between my watermelon and Aiden's emoji because his really hit, and because his really hit the white part last time, so it didn't really stick. So now we're gonna see if he can hit the glass this time. Ready? Go.
Mine definitely wins. Mine definitely wins. It doesn't win.
Mine won.
No, it doesn't because mine stayed on long.
Now we're gonna throw all four to see who the ultimate winner is. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that is a tie because
Wait, don't touch it yet. Don't touch it yet.
Let's see.
Mine lost. Aiden's Ninja won.
Woo!
So out of all the ones that we have right here, I will have to say the Ninja is the stickiest one.
Oh yeah.
That we
have.
have.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And HOG was kind enough to send me 2 other products that I'm not going to show here. We're actually going to be opening those on
my channel.
On Aiden's channel. He's too busy playing with his squishies that he wasn't paying attention.
Look.
Oh my gosh. But anyways,
on the Ninja.
If you are not subscribed to Aiden's channel, his link will be down below, so you can subscribe and be looking out for that video. So thank you again, HOG, for sending me these really cool toys. Me and my brother are really enjoying them. So today's question of the day is going to be chosen by Aiden. Aiden, what do you want the question of the day to be?
Do you have one of these?
Okay, do you have any of these squishy toys? This is actually our
Splat balls.
Technically splat balls. This is our first time having some from HOG, but technically, yes, if you want to count splat balls, technically, yes, we have had some. But that is all that I have for you guys in this video. Don't forget to
subscribe
and give this video a
big thumbs up.
And make sure they
hit the subscribe bell.
Make sure you guys comment down below what I was looking for. And subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.